Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to create a professional business card without breaking the bank? In today's video, I will show you how to make stunning business cards for free using online tools that are easy and perfect for 2025. Let's dive in. First thing first, let's pick the right tool. In 2025, there are some great platforms that let you create business cards for free with professional designs. Some of the best tools include Canva, Adobe Express, Trello. Now that you have picked a tool, let's start designing. All of these platforms have pre-designed templates that you can customize. I recommend starting with a template to make things faster and ensure it looks professional. So for this tutorial, I will show you with Canva. Then search for business card template. Then click enter. And browse through the option. Look for something that aligns with your brand. Whether you want modern, minimalist, or traditional. Click on that. Then click customize this template. Once you have selected a template, it's time to make it your own. Start by changing the text to include name, like my name is Fazle Rapi. I'm a content creator. And my YouTube channel or website, then my cell number and my address and my website number. Sorry, website address. And you can also add your logo and social media handles. Click on that, then delete and upload your logo from your computer and paste drag it here like that. Now let's add some finishing touches to make your business card pop. You can play with design elements like borders or frame, icons, textures, or patterns for background, but keep it clean and simple. Less is more when it comes to business cards. If you have a QR code for your business, website, or portfolio, this is the perfect place to add it. Once you are happy with the design, it's time to save your business card. Most platforms let you download the card in formats like PNG, PDF, or JPG. So click on share button for Canva, then select download, then select PNG for your card or JPEG for card, then download your card in high resolution for printing. Some tools even offer printing options, but if you want to print at home, just ensure the resolution is set to 300 dpi. To print your cards, you can either print them at home using quality paper and a printer, or use online printing services like Canva. They offer affordable printing options and will even ship them to you. And that's it. You have just learned how to create professional business cards for free using easy online tools. You don't need a graphic design degree or a huge budget to have great business cards. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.